Hello everyone! Today, we'll learn how to create a custom health bar for a character. Let's get started. First, go to Character, then Create Widget, then Add to Viewport, and then Compile. You'll notice an error message because I didn't select a widget. So, I'll select a widget already in the engine and then compile. I'll go to the widget I selected, delete its elements, and then add a canvas panel. After that, I'll choose the progress bar, specify its position on the screen, and set its width. Next, from Details, go to Percent and choose the color that represents the player's current health. Then, create a bind and name it Get Health. This function will store the player's current health value. To access the player's health, we must access the player itself. In this case, we will create an interface. Go to the Content drawer. Right-click on the Blueprint interface and name it. Go to the interface and rename the existing function. In the output, create a new variable of type player. Then, go to the Characters. From the class settings, go to the Implemented interface. Select the interface we created. Then, click on the function in the interface field and enter a select value so that the value inside the function is the player itself. Go to the widget, select Get Player Character, then select the function name in the interface and drag the variable containing the player's health value. Divide this value by 100. Now, let's test the result. As you can see, when a zombie hits the player, the health bar decreases. When it's empty, the player dies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.